What's up, YouTube? This is my collection 7000. This is my model kits pickup and also some Honda items that I got. Um, so yeah, first I got this 3-pack Hot Wheels with the S2000 on top. Got that one from Walmart. Then I got this Honda Gardena license plate frame. Got this Model Art magazine. Pretty cool. Scale Auto magazine. This is the April 2012. Then I got this one, Model Cars. It's a good issue to have, imports. Then I got the 1989 Honda CRX brochure for the Honda collection. Also got this one, 50 years of investing in America, Honda. It's a big, need to get the real book though. This is just like so many pages, but the other book is a hardcover. I'm gonna get that one soon. This is see 90s Honda automobiles brochure. Got the CRX. Sweet. Then got a 2012 Civic brochure. So got all those. Then I got this 1/43 scale CRX, old school CRX by Sappy Models. Got that one. Then let's see, model kits. Got this Gundam Wing model kit. Then got this vintage Grumman F14 Tomcat. Pretty sweet. Got the garage tools from Fujimi mechanic set. Got the accessory parts, the vending machine and stuff. At a garage sale, I got this one for CHP Explorer. Pretty cool. From Lindbergh. Then I got a Neo Getter 1 model kit. Got an authentic JDM parking decal. Pretty sweet. Then I got some Honda Civic Type R model kit. Then I got another Integra SRG. I got one like this already, but just needed one more. Another one to have multiples of is the Honda CRX. Gonna build another one soon when I get time. Then my two favorite model pickups that I picked up is this Bluebird, Nissan Bluebird, sealed, pretty sweet kit. And this Nissan Skyline, got two Skylines in this kit from Fujimi. Awesome. So yeah, good to have this in the collection. Building it, I don't know when when I have time, but yeah, that's my model kit pickups, Honda collectibles, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, commenting. Talk to you later. Aloha.